2,000 horsepower. Alright, we're back at North Course here, Kita, and Fausto's got his truck here, doing some testing again before next FD round, which is the first round coming up as well. He's out on track now, and still dialing in the setup, getting ready for the round coming up, but he said that I can jump in with him, so I was just here doing some work and that, and then, yeah, he's like, oh yeah, jump on in, and I'm terrified. Look at this. The noises this thing makes is terrifying. I haven't been in a car that powerful. I've been in Mesmer's 2J S15, or Lewis's 2J S15 that Mesmer drives for FDJ2, but Fausto's is on another level, so I think I'm actually scared to go in the car for the first time, so this is going to be interesting, so see how this goes. Bro.
You ever been in Formula Drift car before?
Only in FDJ2 and Mesmer's. Not this level.
Different.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hell yeah, bro. No words. That was like nothing else. That was crazy. That was the craziest thing of my life. My hands are like shaking from the adrenaline. Fausto had the nos on as well. Just like, I hope you can see my reaction in that video. It was so quick. Just point and shoot and just, oh my God. I only had the GoPro set up facing me because like I just couldn't. I filmed some on my phone. I might put that in as well, but it's not going to be what's it called, landscape. But I'm going to put that in anyway, just because it was so sick. He's doing one more lap now with Juliana, taking her out, and I'm going to go stand over there and get a good point. But what a way to end the video. Look at this thing. That was absolutely mental. The speed and angle that he can, it like defies all gravity. It's so light and so much power, just points and shoots, and I can't believe that. That is so sick. Getting ready to pack it up and call it a day. You're crazy, bro.
Fun, yeah.
Thank you so much. Such a good driver.
So good.
Oh my gosh. I can't get over how light it is and fast. Fausto's such a good driver.
Also, remember it's 19-inch.
19-inch wheels, yeah. So this is on 19-inch wheels.
Your car is just feeling.
It's crazy. This is gonna be like one of my favorite drift builds. Just such a cool kit, such a cool car, engine, nitrous, everything. There's nothing else like it, and the new livery looks so cool. All powered by 2JZ.
Well, they run it in together because the nitro's on, so they will hit 1,000 horsepower.
1,000 horsepower.
On second gear. But you can feel the third gear up the hill so fast here. You like have to control. It's not like just full throttle, you know.
That is absolutely crazy. With the big gate sticking right through the bottom. What a car.
I try to explain to everyone. If you don't understand until you get inside the car.
Yeah, yeah. So sticky, so grippy. I can't believe that.
Everything's aggressive, you know. Like transition, initiation, angle, the flick, everything. You cannot drive this car easy.
No, no.
This car on the rain is scary.
Oh, it would be.
Everything's just like, whoa, whoa. Yeah.
Wow, what a car.
I'm glad you have experience.
Yeah, now I finally have. Oh, thank you so much, bro. That was awesome. And I think I'm going to end the wrong. I'm actually going to add more clips. Don't listen to this idiot. He doesn't know what he's talking about. I was going to actually record like a whole vlog like my other one, but this just turned out to be sick. So I just made this its own little vlog because it deserved it. And I've got some additional footage of when I was drifting North Course in reverse. So I don't know how I was going to fit that into a video, so I'm going to throw it into the end of this. So enjoy.
like to leave my crashes in there or spinning out because I'm definitely not the best driver, and I think it just adds to the video, especially when you get progression too. I don't want to just edit everything and make it look like I'm a perfect driver, because I am definitely far from that. But I just wanted to take the time to massive shout out to at Lono FPV, Mr. Richard Hobart. He let me drive his car, and he also got the drone footage. As you can see, I'm looking at the car. Thankfully, there was nothing wrong with it because Hobart was inspecting with his drone. But massive shout out to Hobart. Because of him, I got to drive.
If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.
I wanna spend my life